Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I'm bringing you a haul of some items I got for fall and some clearance items from Michael's. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. So this haul is actually from a couple trips I made to Michael's. The first time I went, they were having their fall florals 40% off, and they were having their summer clearance 70% off. And then I made a second trip back there, and they now have their spring and summer decor 80% off. So if you have been eyeing some things from spring and summer, head to your Michael's and check them out. So I'm going to show you a couple of the things that I got that were spring, and then we'll get into the fall items. So the first thing I got were these lemon garlands. And I had actually seen Bella of Bella D Designs use these in some of her summer decorating, and I thought they were really pretty, but I didn't need them. But when I was able to get them 80% off, instead of being $12, I got them for $2.40, and they are 5 feet long. So I picked up a couple of those, and hopefully I will be using them next year in my summer decorating. I have a couple of topiary trees, and I'm thinking I might try wrapping this around the spirals in the topiary just to add some lemons into that. So that's why I picked up 2 of those. And then this next item I picked up a couple of them, and I got them because although they say they are from the summer, I believe, no, spring, they are going to go perfectly with the flower colors I'm using for fall. And they're these kind of dusty rose, dusty apricot stems. It doesn't say what they are, but as you can see, they're quite long. I'll probably be cutting these apart and using the individual stems. I don't think I'll be using them long like this, but you never know. You'll have to come back and see how I use them. But they were originally $10. Is that upside down? $10. So at 70% off, they were $3, which I thought was a good price for such a big long stem like this. If you went to Dollar Tree, you might be able to get like half of it. And now if you can find these, they'd be $2 a piece. So I didn't see any more of those when I went, when the sale was more. And now onto my more regular priced items. I wanted to get some more greenery or foliage because I don't have that much, but I wanted to get some in neutral colors. So I picked up this bundle, and these are normally $16, and on sale they were $9, $9.60. But there's a lot of stems on here. If you look at this, here's one, and it actually has multiple stems on it as well, with multiple sets of leaves. See? And then here's another one, again, three separate. There's actually 5 different sets of stems like that. So if you think about it, you might be able to find some not as good quality at Dollar Tree. You might pay $5 to get this many leaves, and I got better quality. It even has some little acorns on it. So I'm pretty happy with that. And my Dollar Tree doesn't really have much foliage, so that's why I had to get it at Michael's. And then I picked up one of these last year. I had seen Arlene from Arlene's Country Craft Corner haul this, and I went out and got one, and I wanted more of them because I ran out last year. So I picked up another bunch, and very similarly, they have 5 different stems of these leaves, and they have kind of a taupey, dusty rose tinge to some of them, and you can see how nice they look with these flowers. So that's why I went and got another one, and they'll fit in perfectly with my neutral decor. So that's all the florals I've been getting, but I decided to change things up in how I'm storing them. Right now I have my florals in a one of those big Rubbermaid totes, and it keeps them clean, and I put them in Ziploc bags and squish all the air out of them. But the problem is I have to pull that big tote out every time I want to use it. And I'll be right back. Let me show you what I've been doing to hold the flowers that I'm working. So you may have seen me haul these flowers from Dollar Tree in another video. If you haven't, I'll link it above in a card and maybe at the end of the video. But I had this, I think it's called like an apple picking basket. I have had this for years. We actually got this to be a Halloween bucket for one of my daughters when she was being Laura Ingalls from the Little House on the Prairie books one year for Halloween. And so we wanted a rustic kind of Halloween candy container for her. And I thought it made the perfect thing to hold flowers that I was working with. So I decided to get some more of them from Michael's so that I could stick in my florals and have it set up kind of like a flower shop does. And I have the perfect spot up on top of my gift craft closet in my bonus room. I showed a reorg of the inside of that recently. If you haven't seen that, I'll also link that up above for you. But I think I can have these sitting up on top with my flowers in them, and I do usually trim the stems down. And what I'm intending to do is put all of one color in one bucket. So I bought 5 more of these, so I'll have a total of 6. Hopefully that'll give me enough to hold everything. And I may put some of the seasonal flowers away that are really specifically, you know, like Thanksgiving looking or specifically Christmassy looking. But the ones that are more neutral that you could use all year long, I'm intending to put in these baskets. And these were actually 40% off baskets and buckets like this. So they're originally $5.99, and what does that end up coming to? $3.59. So I thought that was pretty good for storing them. So once I get them all organized, I will show you that in another video so you can see if it's working for me or not. Then I can just pull the buckets down when I want to make an arrangement and use them. So that's it for my Michael's haul. Well, I want to thank all of you for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you were able to pick up any of these items at Michael's, or if you think you'll go and get some now that you've seen them here. And if you are new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing? You can do so by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box down below. That way you'll get to see more haul videos like this one, as well as decorating videos where I show you what I've done with them. I also do the occasional organizing video as well. So I hope you'll come back and join us here. That's it for now. Take care, everyone. And I hope you're having a happy, wonderful summer and are looking forward to fall as much as I am. Bye-bye.